Hello children, today I'm here to teach you about the sound A. As you can see in the book, this is the Smith family. The Smith family is going on a picnic. The children help their mother to pack the food. Adam packs the apples. Annie helps to make the jam sandwiches. At last, they all are ready and set off for the picnic. When they arrive, they sit down, spread out a cloth and lay the food on it. Annie rubs her arm. "Something is tickling me," she says. "Something is tickling me too," says Adam, eating his apple. Annie shouts, "Ah, ah, ah, ants!" They all look at Annie and see some ants crawling up her arm. They all jump up. There are ants all over the picnic cloth. "Oh dear," says Dad, "we must have put our cloth over an ant's nest." They pack up their things and move to a nicer spot. So this was the story about the sound A. Now, children, tell me, how were the ants crawling up Annie's arm? Should we all do it together? This was Annie's arm. Show me all your arm. Okay. So now the ants were crawling up, up, up. Okay. The ants were crawling up. So this is the action of sound A. And what was Annie saying? Ah, ah, ah. So the sound and action of sound A is ah, ah, ah. Okay. Should we sing the rhyme of sound A? Let's sing all together. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. They're causing me alarm. Should we sing it one more time? Ready? Ah, ah, ants on my arm. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. They're causing me alarm. Okay. So this was all about the sound A. Should we learn how to trace the letter A? Okay, finger up in the air. We'll start from the top. Okay, and then as you can see, we'll take a curve. We'll go up where we started. We'll go up and come down again and put a tail, and there we have the letter A. Again, start from the top, go round, again go up where we started, come down, put a tail, and that's how we trace the letter A. Okay, you can practice this on your rava plate as well. Okay, so this was about sound A.